Your romper is finished now, except for the inseam. So in earlier instructions, you were told to leave a hole in the back lining. So it will look something like that. Now, in order to finish the inseam, you are going to grab your fabric at the center back crotch and grab your fabric at the center front crotch, like so. Now you wrap the suit around like so, joining your front crotch and your center back crotch with a pin. Now you will continue pinning down your leg of your outside fabric. Being careful to match your seam at the bottom of the leg where you start into the lining. Essentially what you are doing here is pinning this entire suit into a circle where you will be ready to sew in a circle. Now I'm pinning the center front to the center back crotch at the lining. Down the other leg of the lining. Matching my seams. And you want to be careful not to stretch your fabric too much when you're doing this, so you have to handle it gently. You'll end up with your entire suit being inside your circle by the time you get it, the entire thing pinned. Okay, now we're all pinned in a full circle, and we're ready to now to sew. So now we have completed sewing in a complete circle, and you have something that looks like this, which as you see, this is what it looks like in the Alex instructions. Now we are ready to turn the garment through the hole that we left in the back lining. All right, here is my hole that I have located that we left in the center back lining. I'm going to put my hand down into the hole, and I'm going to begin to gently pull the entire suit through the hole. And you have to do it gently because you don't want to stretch your fabric as you're pulling it out. Just work it a little at a time until it all comes up through that hole. there's your suit. It all came back through the hole and it is completely finished. So now we will turn it inside out, expose the open hole, pinch just the lining fabric together like that, leaving the suit out of the way, zigzag that closed, and press, and your suit is finished. And this will work with any romper. This happens to be Alex.